Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing great. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I make videos like this 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. In today's video, I'm super excited. As you can tell from the title, today will be a Do You Even activewear review, haul, unboxing, try on. So I already have some Do You Even products, as you can see from my top, and I love wearing that activewear. So I was super excited when they sent me this little package. I've been waiting to try this on, but obviously I wasn't going to try it on without you. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to give you guys a first impression and then we'll go into trying them on. We might do some like squat proof test and all of that. First set is this blue one. So this is the sports bra. This is the Impact Seamless Crop in Sky Blue. Okay, so I got this in a size S. I've actually upsized, so I usually upsize my crop tops just because I don't like it fitting too tight around the boob area. This color is so beautiful. I am so obsessed with seamless sets. Amazing. I can tell already that this is going to fit, because I do have another one of these in the orange, and it's probably one of my favorite crops ever. So I'm super excited to have this blue one as well. I love the thick bands at the bottom. The straps are adjustable, and there's pads inside where you can remove. And moving on to the leggings. Yes. With leggings, I'm pretty sure I ordered a extra small. Yep, so this is an extra small. Usually leggings I like to go for an extra small because I'm kind of on the petite side and really tiny, so I can't really upsize on leggings. I love the thick waistband around here. It's got like a scrunch, a little bit of a scrunch down around here, so maybe it lifts up your booty a little bit. So let's go ahead and try the set. Here it is. Totally obsessed with this color. The sports bra is Zuko. So you guys biting on my tags on my foot. Let's start with the sports bra. I am so happy with this. I love the color. I feel like it's just so bright, and I really like bright activewear. I feel like it just puts me in a brighter mood. The fitting is amazing. Like, I'm so happy that I sized up because it's not too tight on me. I feel like it's perfect and it doesn't strangle me. It's just so comfortable and it's super duper flattering. I also really like the back detail of this, like the details of the crisscross. I love this. I've got nothing bad to say about this. Let's go into the leggings. The leggings for this are so comfortable. Extra small fits me just right. I really like the high waistband it has here. I think it's probably one of the thicker waistbands of activewear that I have tried, and it's super flattering because it kind of gives you like a tummy tuck when you need it. I'm really short, so most of the time when it comes to normal pants it is too long, but with these they are the perfect length on me. They are full length tights. Alrighty, let's do a squat proof test to test these leggings. I love this set. I honestly have nothing bad to say about it. Really recommend it. On to the next set. This one is the Hyperflex Seamless series in forest green. This color. I love this color. It's so nice. Okay, this one I got in forest green. I actually already have 2 sets of these at home. I've got the red one and I've got the purplish color one, and I am obsessed with these. I had to get this color. I love this set, so I already know that this is going to be amazing. This one I also upsized in the sports bra. It's got the waistband down the bottom, which is quite thick. It's got removable padding as well. This one is not adjustable, but it's really stretchy. So onto the leggings. These are from the same set in size extra small. I definitely know it's going to fit. I love their seamless collection and I really love their Hyperflex collection. Here, this is the green set. Super duper amazing. I love this so much. It's so comfortable. Okay, let's start with the sports bra. The fitting of the sports bra, amazing. It provides so much support, and I love how there's a thick waistline here. I feel like it gives you a bit of extra support. This was in a size small, and honestly this is the perfect fit for me. I'm obsessed with this color. I'll just show you guys the back. And I just love the length of it and how it sits on me. I don't like how sports bras, sometimes they're actually too short. I have nothing bad to say about this. This is so comfortable. Even when I'm jumping, love the Hyperflex series. So onto the leggings. The leggings, like I said, were full length and they are in a size extra small that I purchased. They fit me perfectly. I don't even need to tuck in even a tiny bit, and the quality, it just feels so good. All right, let's do another squat test on this one. They're super duper comfortable to work out in, really flattering on your body, and it just looks and feels amazing. On to the next one. This is the Hyperflex shorts in cool charcoal. So this is pretty much the same material, same design as these, but the short version. And in this beautiful charcoal color. I'm obsessed already. I don't have a pair of shorts from them, so I'm super excited to try this. These ones have the same high waistband as the pants, and it looks like it's got like a little booty cup holder thing at the back. So you can like cup your booty up and make it look nice and round. So with these shorts, I got a size extra small as well. Just based on the same fitting as the pants, I'm assuming they should pretty much be similar to that. It looks like they are quite short, and it's got the Do You Even down the side. Can't wait to try these. With this top, I ended up getting a long sleeve top. So this is in their new series where they have long sleeve and shorts, because they didn't want to show you the exact same thing. The top I got a size small as well, just based on the same type of fitting for the same type of collection. There is definitely no padding for this top. The sleeves have a really thick band around it, and it's got a hole for your fingers as well. There is still the waistband around the bottom, amazing. The bottom here cuffs through a bit tighter around the bottom like that, so I feel like it will give you a bit of extra support as well. Let's try these on. Here it is. Now let's talk about the top first. So with this top, I'm actually not wearing the sports bra underneath because I kind of just want to try it for how it is. I guess if you do want to wear something underneath, you probably need to wear like a bra or a stick-on or something underneath, so you're not flashing everyone. But in terms of the sizing, because I know it always gets small for a lot of things, but I feel like this is quite loose on me compared to the sports bra. I could have definitely gone down to my normal size in an extra small rather than a small, but the small one still does fit on me, as you can see. It's just a tiny bit loose, which I guess it's fine if you are wearing like a thick crop top, or if you are wearing extra layers underneath, it will cater for that. The sleeves I feel like is a little long, and you can put your hand out like that if it is a little bit cold. So I think probably go true to size for the long sleeves. Okay, now onto the shorts. The shorts are so comfortable. They don't strangle me on my thighs. They're perfect on the waist, like the leggings as well. I really like the thick waistband. I think it's actually the perfect length. It's not too long, not too short when you're working out. You don't want to ride all the way up your bum. It's such a cute outfit. And I'm pretty sure these are squat proof. It should be exactly the same as the leggings. That is super comfortable. It's really, really flattering, just like all the other sets of Do You Even. And it makes you feel so confident when you're working out, because if you look good, you feel good, and yeah, it just makes me feel amazing. Next set. Well, this isn't really a set, but I kind of had to make it a set because the leggings were sold out. So we have the XL Sculpt in white speckle. This is the polka dot one, and I thought this was so cute. But seriously, I couldn't get a set of this. This is so adorable. I love the polka dots. And it's got the crisscross strap at the back. Oh, I just realized the logo is gold. It's so pretty. It's like a metallic kind of gold on the logo. That's so pretty. Okay, so this one is in a size small. It's got the adjustable straps and the removable bra cups. With these, because it's black and white, I've paired it with a black pair of shorts. So these are called the Women's XL shorts in Lunar Black. So it's pretty much from the same collection. The material feels pretty much the same as the polka dot crop top. Really, really smooth. I can tell this is going to be comfortable already. It's super duper cute. I think it's going to be around the same length as these grey ones. Let's try these on. Here it is. Is this top not the cutest thing ever? There is so much support on your boobs. The fitting is just great. Nothing negative to say about this one. I think the polka dots is just so cute. And I seriously love the gold little detail they have here. And I just realized this is also gold too. It's so pretty. Onto the shorts, I actually tried these on thinking they were an extra small, but I actually just checked the package and realized I had ordered a size small. So these pants are pretty loose on me. So in the video, I kind of had to tie it in a knot at the back. I'm a little sad actually because I really wanted to love these shorts, and I know that they will be so comfortable because the material feels so soft and it's so stretchy. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything at all. So I think I will actually go ahead and get myself a proper sizing on this one. I think this whole set just looks really cute together. Such a shame I couldn't get my hands on the polka dot bottoms, but that's okay because this still looks kind of put together too. So this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching as always. I really do recommend Do You Even because it is one of my favorite activewear brands out there. Their stuff is just so stylish, it's so comfortable, and the material is just great. The quality is awesome, and I just love the fitting of each and every single piece. So I'm super happy with it. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please remember to subscribe as well if you do want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.